Hello, my name is Mossy Flood, and I've been asked by Longford County Council and the Tourism Board to make this video to prove that Longford is not the most miserable place in Ireland. And I just want to give you one example. I was over in the chapel the other evening for Mass, and there wasn't a big crowd that evening because there was a removal over in another chapel not that far away. But I was sitting beside Mrs. Mahan. Now Mrs. Mahan, she wouldn't be John Mahan's wife. She's dead in a long time. This would be Frank Mahan's woman, Mrs. Mahan. And they're coming this wasp into the chapel and it flew over to within about 4 inches of Mrs. Mahan's head. She got into enough of tissy, and she moved her head several times trying to without just being at Mass and everything, and the next thing she slid over in the seat, and she'd be mortified if anyone knew that she slid over in the seat, and I was behind her, and I was in stitches, and I was going to poke the lad beside me, but there wasn't a big crowd at the Mass that evening, and there was no one in the same state as me. But it was the funniest thing. And the next thing, the wasp flew back out of the chapel. And everything was okay again. But just one example of how much fun there is to be had in Longford. And my name is Mossy Flood, and I'm from Longford.